Yeah, we're trying to mix it up, and I think when people, we never drop somebody in our team. We rotate, and I don't know if people want to believe that or believe that or not, but like I say, if we get 12, 13 caps, 15 caps into Ivan in the next 20 caps in over the next cycle before the World Cup, and we get into Cobus Visa, 10, 12 caps, so we're trying to see how will Kane go with Damien if Jesse gets injured, or we swap it around, or, we don't really see Jesse as number one, Kane is number two, Ethan is number three. There's still Lukhanyo who comes back, We would like to know that he can move to the wing, Jesse can move to the wing, Andre can move to 12, Sasa can move to 12, Sasa can move to 15, Mane can move to 10, Andre can go to 10, he can go to 15, Kirtley can play 15, Grant can play scrum half, Grant can play wing. For us, it's the more we work together, and that's why we've got a group of 46. There will be 14 or so guys leaving after tomorrow's training. We're giving some guys a break there. They don't have to be here the whole week. They just prepare us till tomorrow evening, and then they can go home. And some of them will come back when we announce the team, the 33, 36-man squad for the first two games against Australia.